Hey, hi traders, I'm Raksha from Nifty Analysis. Welcome back to our trading sessions. Well, after such a promising gap up in Nifty today, the entire day was the day for bears. From 13137.75 to 12856.70. What a fall. As Nifty has already touched its all-time high and it has been falling for the entire trading session. Now the next question is it going to continue the fall or will it be reversed back and give us a new high? Well, now as we say that today is expiry, it's very important and a very crucial decision to do about trading ideas and trading strategies about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So here we are for solving your queries and for giving you the levels to play with safely and to secure your trading strategies and your trading risk to reward ratios. Well, first of all, let's start with Nifty right now. Well, if I draw a pitchfork here I'm using a modified pitchfork. So let us draw a modified pitchfork from the recent low to this high and then back to this. So if you see that, you can just observe that it has given the exact support at these levels, the levels which was the lowest of the day and the next candle, the ending candle of the day. Now what it says that this level, the level of around like 12840, just near about that area, 12840 to 12845, this area will be the support, immediate support for this session for expiry. And if this is broken, this zone is broken, we have the first target of 12803 as this line, if you see, follow the cursor, and then the range of a support is between 12785 to 12775. Well, these are two targets here for a bearish move. And if this is broken, my next target will be 12744.50. So these three levels are there for the bearish move for tomorrow for expiry. But most probably what I feel is there is an immediate resistance, and that immediate resistance is 12870, the higher channel of this zone. Before when this zone is broken, when this resistance is broken, we will see the next resistance plus we can say the target for the bullish move or for a buying opportunity at 12910 and then 12950 and then 12970. But these three levels we have to wait and watch about the price action here. When this level and these levels are broken, when this R1 is broken, then we will just keep shifting our SL, or we'll put the TSL, or you can say the trailing stop loss. We'll keep doing that and keep it continue till the EOD until and unless there is a strong rejection of either of these three levels here. So for just repeating it again, for Nifty there's a very strong support as per the pitchfork, and precisely there are few angles which we use, like the angles of 13 degree, angles of 24 degree, 23 degrees and 30 degrees and 9 degrees. So let us check the angle here, because let us see what angle is here about. This is near about 24 degree, so it is near about 23 degrees. So these kinds of angles are very important when we talk about the breakouts of a trend line, which will change the trend, or we can say which will give you a trend reversal. So these angles are very important. There are many more which we use personally. Well, here it is near about 23 degrees, so this seems to be a very important support line. Once it's broken, we'll see the target of 12803 and a range of target of 12785 to 12775. So these are the targets, and when this bearish is broken, we have 12744.50. But if it is rejecting this line, which I am most probably thinking that tomorrow, instead of going further down, we will see some recovery back from this fall, at least like till 12,950. So this is my level of target here for tomorrow's session. So let's see, we have important levels here. We just have to keep an eye over these levels. Now talking about Bank Nifty for tomorrow for the expiry, Bank Nifty, the same thing. I'm just putting the pitchfork here. So let us put the pitchfork, the same modified pitchfork I'm using right now, because they are working in a particular angle here. And let us check the angle here. What is the angle at Bank Nifty this time? It is 31 degrees, so near about 30 degrees. Okay, so this angle is again near about one of a very, very important angle of 30 degree, which we use personally for trend reversals and for trend breakouts and reversals. So if we see clearly, it has given a breakout, but it is at a very important support zone of 29127 to 29185. So once this is broken, we have a target of 28908 and 28873, and if this is broken, we have a further downside target of 28718. Not further than that this week for sure, at least for tomorrow's expiry until Friday. So we will not see anything down further below 28718 and precisely like 28633 or 30, but most probably this might be broken, the support, and if there is a reversal from this, then we have the first resistance come target here of 29385 to 29438 and ultimately 29790 for tomorrow's expiry. So be very safe about this, as we have already the all-time highs. So there will be a tug of war between the bears and bulls. Market sentiment is going more towards the news are going more towards the positive side, being the vaccines in the market, giving a positive attitude about the market scenarios right now. But as it's all-time high, a very attractive price for the bears, so we will have a very complex tug of war between bulls and bears tomorrow. So be very careful for tomorrow's expiry. You have the levels, just play it very safe and save your equity and keep your SLs tight. Keep an eye on the trades which you have. Let's see what exactly the day will be for us, and we are always there to give you the guidance about your trades and everything. Thank you so much and take care. See you in the trading session. Bye bye.